Hi, today I'm ready for MOTOROLA Razr 2022 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just we should first hold the application and drag this up to another one. So now we can see here the new created home screen folder. If you wanna just rename or give a name to the application, click on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. If you want to move this folder here on the screen or between the screens or just create the new screens with the folders, you should hold and drag the folder to the left or to the right side of your bottom. Just to remove the application from the folder, you should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the holder, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.